Now, before diving into the course content, I'd like to give you a quick overview of the content of the course. So, as you know, in this course, we're going to be covering 4 main topics: anonymity, privacy, the dark web, and security. So, we'll start with anonymity, and we're going to introduce you to the Tor network, which is the anonymizing network that we're going to use throughout the whole course. You're going to learn how it works and how to connect to it to improve our privacy, anonymity, and to access the dark web. So we'll start with the basics of the Tor browser, how to properly install it on Linux, Windows, and OS X, configure it for maximum security and anonymity, and bypass censorship to connect to the Tor network even if it's blocked. Once done with the basics, we'll move to the next level where we're going to use an operating system that is designed to be more private and more anonymous. First, I'm going to teach you how to properly configure it and install it on a USB stick, so we can use this USB stick to use this operating system from any computer to anonymously access both the darknet and the clearnet without affecting this computer and without leaving any traces on it. Then the course is divided into a number of subsections or modules that will teach you how to anonymously and privately use both the clearnet and the darknet. You'll also learn how to carry out your normal online tasks in a more private and more anonymous manner. So you'll learn how to search for content on both on the clearnet and on the darknet, how to communicate using emails, using instant messages, share files and handle files, and how to use your whole file system and whole computer in a more private, more secure, and more anonymous manner. Then we're going to have a full section on encryption where you'll learn what we mean by asymmetric, symmetric, and end-to-end encryption, how to properly and manually encrypt data, whether it's simple text or files, so that they are useless to anybody that intercepts this data. You'll also learn how to sign data so the receiver can verify that it was actually sent from you, and how to verify the integrity of data that you receive. This is very, very important if you're serious about protecting your privacy and if you want to communicate with people on the darknet, because some people will simply refuse to communicate with you unless you use encryption the way that I'm going to show you in this section. There's also a full section on cryptocurrency because, as we know, the traditional payment methods that we know using PayPal or using credit cards or other clearnet payment methods are simply not private and not anonymous. So in this section, you'll first learn how cryptocurrencies work and how to obtain crypto and handle it privately and anonymously. Throughout all of these sections, we're going to use fully patched systems. But in the last section of the course, I'm going to teach you how to take your security to the next level by dividing your computer into a number of isolated security domains. So even if you get hacked or if you open malware, it would be very difficult for the hacker or for the malware to compromise your full system and de-anonymize you.